Mastering Reading Comprehension for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we will delve deep into practicing reading comprehension with sample texts. The ability to quickly comprehend and retain information is crucial for the reading sections of the TOEFL and IELTS exams. We'll explore some strategies and practice tips that will help you soar through the reading passages with confidence. Let's dive in. Reading comprehension is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it becomes. It's not just about understanding individual words, but about capturing the main idea, inferring underlying meanings, and identifying the structure of the text. Practice regularly. Engage with diverse reading materials daily. This will expose you to a wide vocabulary and different styles of writing. Real exam feel. Simulate exam conditions. This means timing yourself while you read and answer questions. This trains you to manage time effectively during the actual test. 1. Skim the passage. Before you dive deep, get a general idea of what the passage is about. Look for main ideas and headings. 2. Highlight keywords. As you read, underline or mentally note keywords or phrases. This helps in locating information later when answering questions. 3. Ask questions. As you read, ask yourself, what is the main idea? What is the author's tone? Why was this detail included? 4. Paraphrase. After each paragraph, try to put the information in your own words. This ensures you understood the material and helps with retention. One of the best ways to get ready for the TOEFL and IELTS reading section is to practice with sample texts. Here's a quick activity you can do. Pick a sample text. Choose a passage from a TOEFL or IELTS practice book, or even an article from an English newspaper or magazine. Time yourself. Give yourself a set time to read the passage and answer accompanying questions. Review your answers. Go back, check your answers, and see where you went wrong. Understand the rationale behind each correct answer. Repeat. The more passages you practice with, the better you will get at quickly understanding and answering questions accurately. There you have it. With consistent practice and effective strategies, you can enhance your reading comprehension skills for the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Remember, it's a journey. Every time you read and practice, you're taking one step closer to achieving your desired score. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep reading and keep practicing.